Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Macaron squishy toys. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a block of soft, open-cell foam, which is key for that satisfying squish. Also, prepare some fabric paints in your desired macaron colors, along with a small brush. Don't forget a macaron-shaped template or cookie cutter to guide your cutting. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's shape your macaron. Place your template onto the foam and trace around it with a marker. Carefully cut out 2 identical circular pieces of foam. These will be your macaron shells. Take your time to ensure clean, even cuts. You can gently sand or trim the edges to achieve a smooth, rounded appearance, mimicking a real macaron's delicate structure. Precision here helps create a professional-looking squishy. Next, it's time to add color and the iconic filling. Paint your foam shells with fabric paint, allowing each layer to dry completely. For the filling, cut a slightly smaller foam circle and glue it between your 2 painted shells. This creates the classic macaron sandwich look. You can also use a small brush to dab on some textured paint around the filling, giving it that delightful feet appearance. Let all paint dry thoroughly. For the final touches, apply a clear, flexible sealant over your entire macaron squishy. This protects the paint and gives it a lovely, slightly glossy finish, just like a real macaron. Make sure to let the sealant cure completely, which might take several hours or even overnight, depending on the product. Once fully dry, your macaron squishy is ready to be enjoyed. Give it a gentle squeeze and admire your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.